In the intricate design of the human body, there exists 7 energy centers known as chakras. These chakras, which extend from the root of your being to the crown of your head, are responsible for regulating our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Each chakra is associated with specific functions, emotions, and even colors, making them a significant part of our overall health and balance. But what happens when these energy centers fall out of alignment? How do we know when they're blocked or imbalanced? And what can we do to bring them back into harmony? This is where the ancient practice of yoga comes to our rescue, particularly through a set of powerful techniques called mudras. Mudras, often referred to as seals or gestures, are specific hand positions that have been practiced for centuries to control and balance the flow of energy in our bodies. In Sanskrit, the word mudra means seal or gesture. These gestures are not just symbolic. They are energetic configurations designed to channel and direct the subtle energies within us. By assuming these particular hand positions, we can influence our chakras, bringing them into better balance and promoting overall well-being. Chakra corresponds to a different part of our body, mind, and emotions. The root chakra, located at the base of the spine, governs our sense of security, stability, and connection to the physical world. The sacral chakra, situated below the navel, influences our creativity, sexuality, and emotions. The solar plexus chakra, residing in the upper abdomen, relates to our personal power, self-esteem, and transformation. The heart chakra, placed in the center of the chest, governs love, compassion, and our ability to connect with others. The throat chakra, located in the throat, influences communication, self-expression, and our connection to the higher self. The third eye chakra, situated between the eyebrows, governs intuition, insight, and our connection to the spiritual realm. Finally, the crown chakra, located at the top of the head, governs enlightenment, connection to the divine, and our sense of purpose. Now let's explore how these ancient hand positions can help us balance these vital energy centers. Let's start with the root chakra. When this chakra is balanced, we feel grounded, stable, and secure in our physical reality. It's associated with the color red and the element earth. For balancing the root chakra, we use a mudra called Muladhara mudra. To perform this mudra, bring your thumb and index finger together and touch them lightly, while keeping the rest of the fingers extended. This mudra helps to ground your energy by connecting the fire element of your thumb and index finger, which are also the 2 most sensitive tips of the hands, to the earth element of the rest of the fingers. The sacral chakra, associated with the color orange, governs creativity, sexuality, and emotions. Practicing the second chakra meditation with the Ustrasana mudra can help balance it. To perform the Ustrasana mudra, place the fingertips of both hands together, forming a triangle shape. Then slowly rotate your hands in a circular motion. This continuous rotation symbolizes the dynamic flow of energy associated with the sacral chakra. Moving on to the solar plexus chakra. Its balance brings personal power, self-esteem, and the ability to transform challenges. For this, we use the Surya mudra. Surya is the Sanskrit word for sun, which is the life force of our solar system. In this mudra, you take the tip of your thumb and place it on the tip of your ring finger, symbolizing the sun at the center of the solar system. The rest of the fingers remain extended, representing the planets that revolve around the sun. This mudra helps to ignite the solar plexus chakra, bringing warmth and vitality to the abdominal region. Next is the heart chakra. When balanced, it enables us to experience love, compassion, and connection to others. The best mudra for the heart chakra is, of course, the heart mudra. Bring your thumb, index, and middle fingers together and gently touch them. Keep the other 2 fingers straight. This simple mudra is a universal symbol of love and connection. By practicing it, you'll activate the green energy of the heart chakra, fostering feelings of love, kindness, and empathy. Throat chakra is linked to effective communication, self-expression, and connection to the higher self. To balance this chakra, we use the yogic mudra. Place your thumb above the base of your index finger. Then bring your index finger and thumb together by bending the index finger. This mudra, often used during meditation, focuses the energy of the thumb, the most energetic finger on the index finger, which represents the throat chakra. Regular practice of yogic mudra enhances intuitive communication and strengthens your connection to your higher self. The third eye chakra enables intuition, insight, and connection to the spiritual realm. To balance it, we use the Aga mudra, or the gesture of wisdom. Touch the tip of your middle finger to the tip of your ring finger. Keep the other fingers extended. The third eye chakra is associated with clarity and insight, and this mudra embodies that by bringing together the two fingers that represent intuition and spirituality. Regular practice of a japa mudra sharpens your intuition and enhances your connection to your inner wisdom. Finally, the crown chakra, associated with enlightenment, connection to the divine, and our sense of purpose. We use the QTE mudra to balance it. This mudra involves joining the tips of all 5 fingers and the thumb. All fingers symbolize unity and connection to all aspects of ourselves and the universe. Regularly practicing Kshetri mudra promotes feelings of oneness and helps you tap into your spiritual essence. These mudras, when practiced regularly, can significantly enhance your overall well-being. They provide a tangible link between the ancient wisdom of yogic practices and modern scientific understanding of energy flow. Incorporating these mudras into your daily routine can be a simple yet powerful way to balance your chakras and promote harmony in your body, mind, and spirit. To achieve the best results when practicing these mudras, it is essential to maintain a calm and focused mind. Here are some simple steps to help you enter a state of calmness before practicing the mudras. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. You can practice these mudras either in a seated or standing position. Seated? Make sure you sit upright with a straight spine, but not in a way that causes discomfort. Standing? You can stand tall with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. As you inhale, imagine drawing in calmness and focus. As you exhale, let go of any tension or distractions. Once you feel centered, bring your attention to the specific chakra you want to work with. Visualize its color and feel its energy. Now place your hands in the corresponding mudra for that chakra, keeping your fingers in the precise positions. As you maintain the mudra, continue to visualize the chakra and feel its energy flowing. Throughout the practice, maintain a peaceful state of mind, letting go of any thoughts that may arise. Set an intention for the practice, whether it's balancing the chakra, enhancing energy flow, or promoting overall well-being. The duration of your practice can vary based on your comfort level and time availability. Start with a few minutes and gradually increase as you become more comfortable. It's important to note that consistency is key when working with chakras and mudras. Aim to practice regularly to experience the full benefits. You can practice each mudra individually or incorporate multiple mudras into a sequence depending on your needs and goals. For example, if you want to start your day with balanced energy, you could practice all the mudras in the morning, focusing on each chakra. Similarly, if you need to relax and distress, you can practice the mudras that correspond to your throat and heart chakras, which govern communication and love respectively. Remember to approach your practice with patience and an open mind. Allow yourself to fully immerse in the experience, feeling the energy flow through your body. Trust in the ancient wisdom of these practices and allow them to guide you towards greater balance and harmony. Whether you're a longtime practitioner of yoga or new to these practices, these mudras offer a beautiful way to connect with your inner energy. Give them a try and experience the transformative power they hold.